What's up, beautiful nature family? In today's video I just gotta show this off because you hear tractors and shit in the back, but look at this. Look at this. We are truly in heaven if you haven't been paying attention yet. God's consciousness is truly returning to the planet. There's just more miracles happening every moment, and just seeing that the things we took for granted are basically miracles in themselves. The trees, the air, the sun, the water, everything. The air, it's perfectly synchronized to be working together in an ecosystem, and we don't even see it unless you're actually really looking from your third eye. We're on the farm, going to India soon. I just really wanted to show off this sky because it's like truly a so magical blessing. I love you all so much. Stay blessed. I wish you all a beautiful journey returning to God consciousness. And we're already there. We're always born perfectly and naturally from the get-go. We just have thoughts about self, thought constructs that we identify with. If you leave who you think you are, all that's left is God, source. And it doesn't remove your individuality, it just shows you the source of your individuality, the source of your consciousness, the source of who you are. And it leaves everything that you are left, just that you don't suffer from Maya anymore. You're the master of Maya. You create your own Maya. You return to the 0 point, the void, and from there create. Whoa. Magical sky. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, we're in Nirvana. Jah bless.